Welcome to today's journaling session to spark motivation for studying. Our brains are wired to seek comfort and avoid effort whenever possible. Studying requires focus, delayed gratification, and mental energy, things that don't give us an immediate reward. But here's the good news. Motivation can be cultivated with the right strategies. Now, let's set the stage for your study session. Grab your journal, a pen, and find a comfortable, quiet space. Feel free to pause this video whenever you need more time to write, and let's begin. We often believe we lack motivation when in reality what we're looking for is clarity. It's not always straightforward to know when and where to start. Write down an if-then plan. If it's 6 p.m., then I'll sit at my desk and study for an hour. Clarity creates momentum. When you know exactly what to do and when to do it, taking action becomes much easier. In your journal, write your own if-then plan. For example, if it's 4 p.m., then I will review my notes for 20 minutes at my desk. If it's 6 p.m., then I will go for a walk in the park. Or, if it's 9 p.m., then I will journal for 10 minutes in my bedroom. By setting a clear plan ahead of time, you remove the need to rely on fleeting bursts of motivation. Questions like, should I study today? Or, when should I study? Disappear. Now, let's activate the dopamine hack. Break your study task into smaller, manageable goals. Dopamine spikes when we experience small successes. By breaking tasks into micro goals, like reviewing one page of notes instead of tackling an entire chapter, you create a cycle of accomplishment that boosts motivation. What micro goals can you set today to create small wins and build momentum in your study routine? And, to make it fun, how will you give yourself credit for completing a micro task? For example, write down your small wins or accomplishments as a form of acknowledgement, celebrating with something you enjoy as a reward. Put on a song that makes you feel accomplished or happy. Give yourself a compliment, or write the compliment down. Now picture yourself after completing your study session, proud, satisfied, and confident. But also consider potential obstacles like distractions or fatigue. Write down how you'll handle these challenges. For example, when I study, I will put my phone in another room, make sure to hydrate and have snacks available, or light a candle and listen to calm music to stay relaxed. Remember, success isn't built in giant leaps, but in the consistent small steps you take each day. Imagine how proud you'll feel when you achieve your goals. You've now got a clear plan, realistic goals, and strategies for success. Now go crush that study session.